with only a few clicks using InstaDoodle. The first thing you'll notice after you open InstaDoodle is the extensive library of done-for-you characters, props, and text. Additionally, InstaDoodle provides the flexibility to upload your customized images, fonts, voiceover, and music. You can just drag and drop any element that you want from our extensive library, scale it, rotate, and tweak it to seamlessly integrate with your project. The next step is to add some text. Select the font, center it, set the color, purple, and voila! Now, let's create a new slide. Add a character. Let's add a speech bubble too. Add the text, "Why whiteboard videos?" And bam! It looks amazing, right? But now let me show you the real power of InstaDoodle. Perhaps you've previously used another doodle creation tool and struggled to find the exact character or scene that you imagined because the right prop wasn't available in the library. Thanks to InstaDoodle's revolutionary DoodleAI engine, the only limit is your imagination. Let's say that you want a cow dressed up like a businessman juggling pineapples. Just type that, as crazy as it sounds, and DoodleAI will make it happen. Bam! Amazing, right? Let's try a real case scenario. A teacher writing on the whiteboard with kids around. Done! Creating whiteboard videos has never, ever been so easy. InstaDoodle is built to deliver you results faster and easier than anything else on the market. If you can click and drag your mouse, you can do a doodle video in a matter of minutes. All the doodle animations from this video are created using InstaDoodle, and you're still here watching and listening to what I have to say. That just proves how efficient InstaDoodle really is. And you can see doodle videos do an incredible job of educating, entertaining, and selling, making them one of the best investments that you can make in your business. So here's the deal. If you were to visit the instadoodle.com homepage right now, you'd see we sell InstaDoodle as a monthly recurring service. But as a special promotion on this page, we're offering a rare chance to get it with a single one-time payment. But this exclusive deal is limited to just 1,000 lucky individuals. After reaching that limit, InstaDoodle will return to its regular monthly payment. But honestly, even at $297 per month, that's an incredible deal for what you can do with this. Outsourcing the creation of a single video will cost you more than the price of this special offer. I'm so confident that you will love the whiteboard videos that you'll generate with InstaDoodle that I'm even going to make this a complete risk-free decision for you. If you create a video with InstaDoodle and you don't like it, you will get your money back with no questions asked. So now that you have no risk, go ahead and click the Buy Now button below and profit from the one-time payment offer and the huge discount that we have for our first 1,000 users. Let's quickly recap why you should get InstaDoodle today. You'll be able to create unlimited whiteboard videos. You'll get access to our extensive doodle library. You'll be able to generate whatever doodle image you imagine using our AI engine. You'll be able to upload your own images with only one click. You will get more views and more sales than ever before. So if you're ready to create studio-grade whiteboard animation videos for a fraction of what you pay a professional video creation agency, click the button below this video to get InstaDoodle right now. Transform your ideas into stunning whiteboard videos today. Click below to purchase InstaDoodle and enjoy our one-time payment offer. Join our community of creators with no recurring fees. I can't wait to see you inside the members area.